Hey, hi everyone. So in this video, we will be talking about Cognizant Campus Hiring 27, Digital Nurture DN 5.0 Assessment, prerequisites, and everything I will be talking about in this video because I already promised you guys that I will be making videos on Cognizant. And if you guys want to prepare for Cognizant, definitely you can follow our channel. And second thing I wanted to tell you guys that we have already a lot of free content, on our YouTube channel. I'll just show you. I'll just show you. So if you will just search on YouTube like this, like Cognizant, okay, preparation KN Academy. Okay, if you will search Cognizant Preparation KN Academy, you will get 153 videos here. 153. That's a huge playlist, right? You will be getting everything. Like we have uploaded everything, like communication assessment for technical assessment. We have uploaded a lot of things. So you guys can see here. Okay, in the playlist there are a lot of videos which we have already uploaded, which you can use for your preparation. The best thing is the previous material which we have provided on YouTube for free is currently valid because the pattern is same. The pattern is exactly same what Cognizant was asking last year. They are asking the same thing this year also. So that's a great thing. Let's discuss about this. So this is Campus Hiring 27 Digital Nurture DN 5.0 Assessment Prerequisite. Let's go through it. The first thing will be the communication assessments. Let's discuss about this. See, first of all, there's a very big doubt that is the communication assessment elimination round. Yes. So to clarify this, if you are giving the communication assessment, please be ready with that mindset that yes, this round the communication assessment is a elimination round. Okay, so talking about the communication assessment, generally it is divided into total four parts. So the four parts which they have mentioned, let's start with this. The first part they have mentioned as pronunciation, second one is speaking fluency, then grammar and listening comprehension. Let's discuss about this. The first one is the pronunciation. What is this pronunciation? Let's discuss about this. So basically, in the pronunciation is basically reading and speaking. Okay, reading and speaking. Now, what about this section? So basically, it is the whole test. The timer of the whole test will be for around 58 minutes, in which the first section will be reading and speaking, which is called pronunciation, in which there will be simple sentences will be displaying on your screen. After reading the sentence, like whatever the displaying they are displaying the sentence, after seeing the sentences, you just need to speak aloud. For example, I am getting a sentence on the screen. On the screen it is written that I am going to temple. Okay, suppose this is the sentence which is written on the screen. Now, what is my task? I'll just repeat it. How? I will say, I am going to temple. Simple. So these kind of sentences you will be getting. Okay. So there will be some complicated sentences as well. So basically you need to read aloud all the sentences which are displaying on your screen. This is the first section. Very easy. Second one is speaking and fluency. Let's talk about this. So second section will be speaking and fluency. So basically in the speaking section, what you need to do is you will be getting four questions in this. Okay. They will be giving you around 1 minute's time. Okay. Around 1 minute's time. Okay. For example, the topic is AI is a boon or a curse. Okay. So suppose this is a topic. You need to think about around 30 seconds and you will be getting around 1 minute to speak about that. So basically, there will be 30 seconds separate in which you can think about a topic. Suppose the topic is AI is a boon or a curse. You will be thinking about that topic. For next 60 seconds, you need to talk about that topic. Okay. The basic flow will be you will start with the introduction, and always you need to give your answers in a grammatically correct way, because see, that is a AI detection platform which will be primarily checking your grammatical skills. Okay, so the context, the platform can get the context, but the context doesn't matter much. But whatever you speaking, first thing, it should be very very clear. Suppose I am making this video, I hope you guys can listen each and every word clearly, right? So this is the main thing which you need to do. You need to speak very very clear. Second thing, your sentences should be grammatically correct, because the AI detection tool will be checking if the grammar is correct or not. Okay, so that is very important. For the four questions, they will be giving you topics. One example I have already given to you. So what you need to do is you just need to speak for 60 seconds for the topics. Next section, let's talk about the next section. The next section will be, if you guys can see here, that is grammar. So what is grammar? So basically in the grammar, you will be getting 32 questions. Okay, grammar, you will be getting 32 questions, and it is pretty easy. You will be getting the fill in the blanks, you will be getting the error corrections, vocab, you will be getting the active passive voice. So basically this will be a grammatical section for 32 questions. Okay, you just need to tick mark the right option. It's a MCQ type round. Okay, it's a MCQ type section in which you will be getting the grammatical questions related to the English. Okay, then there is listening comprehension. Now what is this listening comprehension? Please try to understand. You will be getting 16 questions. You will be getting 16 questions in listening comprehension. So basically listening comprehension is the same like reading paragraph. The reading paragraph, basically what we did in our schools, we did read the paragraph. After that, we answered the question. The only change here will be you will be not reading the paragraph, you will be listening the paragraph. So there will be a paragraph for around 6 lines, 7 lines, 8 lines. You will be listening that paragraph. There will be an option to listen the paragraph. After listening the paragraph, there will be few questions on the paragraph. So you need to answer those questions. You need to answer those questions. Okay, this will be the section. Okay, I hope the communication assessment is pretty clear. Okay, now if the assessment is pretty clear to you, okay, let's discuss about the next assessment. But before that, I just wanted to cover the Cognizant mock test series. Okay, so you will be getting the link of Cognizant mock test series in the description. So basically, as I said, the syllabus is same, so this series will be helping you out. Only difference is they are not taking the aptitude round. So you can basically ignore the aptitude section which we have provided in this series, which is mock test. You can ignore, ignore the games section, but there is a technical assessment which is exactly same like previous year which they were asking. So technical assessment, the main thing we have provided is the actual previous year questions. Okay, actual previous year question list you will be getting, because I hope you guys are very new to this and you guys don't have any idea what kind of questions Cognizant did ask. So you will be getting the exact screenshot of the questions which Cognizant asked last year. So Cognizant actual coding question, web based question, SQL question, coding question, cloud MCQ, and Cognizant full set one, coding questions actual, and you will be getting the basic screenshot of the questions which Cognizant already asked. Okay, so that way you will be getting an exact idea like what kind of questions did Cognizant will be asking in your Cognizant technical assessment. So that's why I think this series is very important. So the price is very less, only around 100 rupees you will be getting this series. I think the price is very less, and this whole PDFs you can use for your preparation, and they will be giving you enough idea what kind of questions you can expect in your Cognizant SQL web based and in the coding questions, because there will be similar questions only because they already asked some questions in the previous year. So you will be getting the around same questions. Okay, because the next section if you will be looking is the technical assessment. So now for technical assessment there are total three clusters. If they are hiring for only Java cluster for you, so there will be only Java cluster for you. Okay, now talking about this, what is about the Java cluster, let's discuss about this. Okay, so for Java cluster, basically there are total three sections which they have given. The timing is around 120 minutes. So let's talk about this. So basically, if they are hiring only for Java cluster in your college, okay, there will be total three sections there. There will be two coding questions. Okay, there will be two SQL question, there will be one web based question. All these questions are the coding question. The two coding question they will be asking will be medium level DSA based questions. Okay, but they will be not asking you much difficult question from dynamic programming, graphs, trees, but it will be mostly arrays and strings based questions, but the difficulty level will be around medium. It is not like they will be asking you the easy questions. So two questions of medium difficulty you can expect, then two SQL questions. These are medium to hard. Okay, so SQL is basically medium to hard. You need to practice a lot for SQL because SQL is very important. Even if you are solving one coding question here in the technical assessment, that is fine. But solving two SQL question is very important. If you are not solving two out of two coding question, there are less chances that you will be getting selected. So SQL is very, very, very ultra important. Also, the level is medium to hard. So it is very important that you will be solving the SQL question. Then there is one web-based question which they will be asking. So it will be related to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Basically, a front-end question in which you need to design some front end. It will be easy to medium, but if you even complete the half question, that is fine. Okay, that is fine. The less cutoff will be for web-based question only. Coding question and SQL, try to solve 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Okay, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Please try to solve like this. Okay, so this will be your technical assessment. Also, for technical assessment, as I mentioned, we already provided the previous question. If you can see here, coding questions you will get here, so you will get an idea what kind of questions they ask. For SQL question, we provided a complete list, full set also. In the full set, you will be getting the exact questions. So link of the mock test series will be in the description, which you can check out. Okay, so this will be your technical assessment, and that's it. This will be your last round. After the technical assessment, there will be the trainings and interviews. Okay, but that is a long thing. Okay, this is about the whole assessment which you need to cover. So I hope this is clear, and I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching.